time for Fix It or Feel Better.
Hi there, I'm Heward Bowles, and welcome to Fix It or Feel Better, the home repair program where we go to your house and show you how to be your own Mr. or Mrs. Fix-It. Now, today we are at Vivian Dunphy's house in beautiful Worcester, Massachusetts. Hello, Vivian.
Hello, Heward.
You have a very lovely home.
Oh, thank you, Heward. Thank you, Heward.
Now, I understand that you have a toaster oven that's been giving you problems.
Yep, it won't toast.
Well, I tell you, it's a fine-looking appliance there, Vivian. Has it been a problem for a while?
No, Heward, it was fine, and then it wouldn't toast.
Is there anything else you can tell me about it?
It just won't toast.
All right, so what say we try and fix it, okay?
Oh, that'd be good.
And listen, even if we can't, we're going to feel better, okay?
Oh.
Now, you don't have to be an electrician to troubleshoot an electrical problem. Now, I'm just going to turn the power on the front of this.
It's been doing that a lot lately.
Yeah, you know, you could have told me that earlier, Vivian. When I said, was there anything that you could tell me about it?
I forgot.
Well, you know what? I think we're going to use a voltage detector. And what we're going to do is just simply clamp it to this wire right here and... Ouchie daisy. I'm going to change the setting there, Vivian.
All right.
And,
Whoa!
no!
Oh,
That one really hurt. That really hurt.
well, is it fixed? Should I try it now?
No, Vivian, it just bit the fool out of me. It's not fixed. To be honest with you, I can't fix it. So now it's time to feel better, all right? Vivian, I want you to put these safety goggles on. Yeah. And then I'm going to grab my Feel Better stick. I'll get it.
Oh, no, that's all right. Oh. But Heward, my phone's not broken, Heward.
Oh, there now. Don't we all feel better? Don't we feel better?
I really don't. My toaster's broken, and as is my phone.
You know what? Join us next week, folks, when we'll see you on Fix It or Feel Better, and we're going to be... Well, you know what? We could just come back to Vivian's house and fix that phone.
Oh, that's fine. Good.
Come on, Vivian. Give it a couple of whacks.
All right.
Go on.
Okay.
Go on. Oh, no, Vivian. Hit it like it was your first husband. That's what I'm talking about, girl. Go on and get it. Goodbye, everybody.
Poppy seed.
You better put out that cigarette. Poppy seed you smoking last week and told you not to do it no more.
Well, Poppy seed you on the tractor the other day, and you told you not to do that.
Yeah, well, Poppy seed you looking at them magazines and you wasn't supposed to.
Hey, what the hell are you boys doing out there?
Oh, no! Poppy seed us!
Poppy seed.